What's up, guys? It's another beautiful day, and I'm off from work today. It's not like going to 5 o'clock. Me being me, I'm very down with the flow. Like, everybody know me. Like, I'm go with the flow. If I have no work or nothing to do, then whatever goes, goes. So, like my friend just said, you know, just mention the beach. And if you look right now, see that? Sweat. It's hot as hell here in Jamaica. It's like really hot, and beach sounds like a good idea. Bear in mind, I just had a shower. And I'm sweating as hell. So anyway, we're gonna fling on some clothes and then try to go to a beach we went to before, and let's see what's happened for the rest of the night. For those of you who might remember my vlog in New York when I made the lotion, this is how hot it is in Jamaica right now. It was hard in New York, and look at it now. Melted butter. Rough. Woo! So I'm in my car now, which I'm so happy for because there's AC in here. So all the people over there who are coming and you're dying to get to Jamaica for the sun, come. Spend your money and come for the sun, because the sun is here. We got a lot of the sun. Come share the sun with me. But yeah, the bad news is I'm heading to Fort Clarence area, which it's the time now is 5:26 and the traffic's gonna be hectic. So whenever you're in Jamaica at this time in the weekday, people are leaving work. I mean, we're a small country, only 3 million people, but around them time there, you're gonna have a lot of traffic. But anyway, guys, enough talking. I'm gonna get ready to go there. Oh, and I'm shooting on the Canon M5. Like, I don't really vlog with this camera because it's a little bit bigger, but I'm gonna start doing it more because it has a better quality. Not so good in low light, well, compared to the G7X, but it has better range and I like this camera more. But it's a little bit, what may I talk say? I prefer the G7X more, but this camera is better because, I mean, it's bigger, but whatever.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say. All the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On and in the sun.
Current situation. Oh man, look at all of that. But it's expected, guys. It's expected. When you have traffic like this, you just have to have patience, know what's gonna happen, and have some good music on. Hey, hey. Literally, I wonder if this is gonna be for the rest of my evening. Like, I know from behind the tractor here, I don't want to drive dirty. See that? Everybody else going around me and stuff. I know we're still in the traffic, guys, but look at that mountainside there, man. Oh, I wish I didn't have to like drive and do this. It's a bit difficult to do that, but yeah, it's the traffic I'm talking about. So far I've been in the traffic for like times like those you kind of really wish you were riding a bike, right? But I've been in traffic for probably like 45 minutes or so. It's moving, so it's not like unbearable. It's moving, so I can't really complain. But I don't know like what time we're gonna get there for the beach, or if we ever get to the beach, or if there's like a night beach where we can just sit down and chill. I don't know. Yo, watch your friggin' boss man behind me. Yo, me hate, let me see. Let him go on, man, watch him. See him? Bastards. Yo, sometimes if you like you stop and you pre the world, like the world pretty, you know, it's a nice place, I swear. But anyway, so like I just got this guys from well, if you're in Jamaica, you might see sometimes in the night some guys selling these things in these whatever brown bags. Inside it's actually just peanuts, like roasted peanuts. Sometimes you'll see them with like this machine that goes like a kettle going off, and inside all of it is just some roasted peanuts. Yeah, inside. Roasted peanuts, man. For those who never know, this is a secret ingredient. This is what makes us Jamaican males very endowed. They have a thing out here we call for the pum pum, where females eat pineapples, and you know. Yo, life kind of funny, you know, how somebody can come up with a talk and everybody just starts spiraling with it. I wonder if that should really work. Like somebody who eat and taste it, tell me if it really works. But I like to understand and know if this theory is actually practical. It was really hard to do this, but like I just passed another vendor just now, and I got the favorite variety for me. One of my other vlogs I did this one, which is the peanut cake drop. It's just like peanuts, but instead they have it in like sugar and stuff, maybe a little bit of ginger, I don't know, but it's really good. Yeah, it was hard to vlog with a manual transmission car, switching gears and doing this, yo. But it's a beautiful day, guys. Or a beautiful evening. Come on, level off. Alright, now you guys can see better what the evening looks like, or what my little drive looks like. Calm and quiet, having my little peanut cake drops. I'm just relaxing, pretty much. Anyway. Speaking of traffic, guys, if you look, you'll see like cranes in the air. They're actually building, what we call it, a highway. So because this problem is very known here in Kingston, so it's going to be like a 4 or 8 lane type of thing happening, where, you know, it'll be a lot easier for people to get from work, because Portmore City, as everybody knows, mosquito town, where all the mosquitoes live. People actually leave from over there, come here into Kingston to work, and yeah. So we're making progress, man. It's good to see this happening. We have a little roadside vending going on. By my venue, you know? Vending up them things, as I mean, like ackee and, you know, fruits and stuff like that are very synonymous to Jamaica. Here we have some more again, of coconuts over there. Our beautiful island.
Baby.
There you go. Smell like a paring pea. Move out your frame, no, Judah?
No.
Smell like a paring pea.
Hey! Do I have this single block with you?
Hey! Chica bonita. So we just got to Hellshire. It's in the night, so I'm not going to the water, definitely. But you guys might be hearing a lot of wind noise because I didn't put the mic on top. Stupid me, I wasn't thinking. But like, we're just there. Don't go down with this stuff. And that's just the water over there in the city. We try to get you guys a better view. Hey! Hey!
Wait, can't believe it dry sun. You have to reduce wet
lift you up?
Just some sun.
What do you want?
Sun. Sun.
What?
Make some.
Okay.
A lot. Restaurant. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Like, it's legit too dark here, fam. That's where I said that the G7X is a little bit better in the dark, in the low light, which I should have carried, but I prefer this one so far because like on the street, like I could zoom in more and get more scenery. But pretty much I'm just gonna chill here, watch these people play in the water under the sun. And we might get something to eat, I don't know. I can show you guys that. And I know that the persons will complain when I'm eating. But such is life, right?
Hey, come on, these shoes.
What is in your bag? Show the people what is in your bag, no?
You can't chill.
Let me see what in your bag, no?
You can't chill. You have to be strapped, man. You have to be strapped.
See, big guns come with that. Show me.
Someone's stealing.
Let's see what's up.
You can't allow me.
Let's show you that.
Give me a hand, let me show you.
No, no.
Give me a hand, let me show you.
Don't see it already.
Give me a hand, let
You
me
can't
show you.
freeze frame. No, do that. Don't mess with that shit. That shit hurts. I'll hold on to you so you feel the shot.
Nah, I'm alright.
No,
Ready?
you know.
Ready?
No,
Come on,
no,
ready?
do that. No, messing with the shot. No.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Ah, come here. You good? You good? Yeah?
Destiny, why are you using the people in the floor, man? You're using the floor today. So like, we're here at Sovereign again. The card machine wasn't working at that. What's your place name? Patty's? Aunt Pies. So we come to Sovereign to Popeyes that I really wanted. I really wanted Popeyes to be honest because I ate crab this morning and crab last night. I mean, on a crab loaf, so isn't it? Popeyes it is. My machine slow, right guys? The machine now is thinking. The machine even calculate the price. Make sure that everything add up. Right, let's see it. But then a Popeyes and we still an order. I wait for it. Am I the only person that have that problem? Like when you swipe the card it's hard for it. Like you know I hear you say decline or something like that. Like I worse. No carrier. That means the internet down. Okay. So yeah, for those of you guys that don't know, we have Popeyes at Jamaica. The food here is good. You would have meticulously checking all of the food. Eh? Because we know we are dead.
But like, why would you like?